Magandang araw mga kapatid. January 29, 2025 po. Nabasa niyo ba ang reading ngayon? Well, our gospel is taken from the Holy Gospel according to St. Mark. It is about the parable of the sower. It is too long, no? Mahaba siya, mahaba ang reading konti. We will go immediately to our reflection. So, according sa mga commentaries, it says, a man went out to sow grain. The man represents God and the seed in his message. Just as a planted seed starts to grow, the word of God starts to deepen and grow within the person. The seed is his message. Ang tanong for our reflection, mga kabrads, paano natin kinocultivate ang seed so that this will grow? Again, going to the commentary, to the Bible commentary, it says, the Word of God is the seed, the message, the seed. Paano po natin i-develop? Paano natin i-cultivate para ito'y mag-grow, no? Ito ay go-grow. Oh. Paano po? By attending mass regularly? Yes, because that's our faith. Do we think that enough na yan po? Na by listening the word, okay na yon? No. It's very clear. Our faith is both with action. Faith with action. Again, our faith and action goes hand in hand. Hindi po pwede. Maniwala lang po ako sa Diyos. Saved na po ako. No. There is a evangelization. There is what we call mission. There is what we call preaching. Kapag wala po yung action, invalid po in our faith. That's why our faith must be both faith with action. Otherwise, kulang yung templa. So, kailangan nandun, may faith ka, may action. So, after listening the Word of God during Sunday, encourage ourselves to practice the Word of God not only in our family, not only in our community, but in our work as well. So, yun. In that case, tataba at it will bear much fruit ang seed po natin. Remember, a seed is the message of God. Paano po natin i-grow yung seed na yon? It depends upon us. Kaya good luck po sa pagtatanim ng seed. It's up to us how we're going to cultivate that seed. Magandang araw po ulit. Ito po si Bopax.